Okay, this is what you're supposed to be doing first in class today. It's the Giant Circle Challenge, and it's going to be a group quiz grade. So make sure you get this done and turn it to the sub. If you turn it in late to me, I'm going to count it as late. I'm going to take 10 points off of it. So it's going to drop a letter grade if you do not turn it into the sub as I ask you to. So, the Giant Circle Challenge, if you notice, has a whole bunch of inscribed angles, and it has a bunch of central angles. And then if you look, 7, 16, and 12 make a triangle, right? So you're going to have to use inscribed rules, central rules, triangle rules. I think that's it. That and 360, right? So it says G is the center of the circle. AD is a diameter. So A to D, that means that we're going to have some 180 stuff maybe, right? Ooh, there it is. 2 opens to that, so I know 2 is half of 180. I already got 2. This is kind of what we're doing. AB, the arc is 78, so I'm going to mark everything, and you should mark everything too, because it's going to make it a whole lot easier. FE is 105, FE is 105. So really what we should be doing anytime we have a word problem is drawing, right? ED is 27. And CD is 42. CD. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few of these, and that's going to be this whole video. First off, I want to point out 19 is neither inscribed nor central, so I can't say anything about it related to 27. But I can look over here, and there's a central angle that opens up to it. This number 17, so 17 is just equal to 27. Let's look for a couple inscribed. Let's look at this 42, CD. So let's go down here. 10 opens up to 42. 10 is inscribed, so it's going to be half of that, right? So 10 is 21, half of 42. Let's take another look. Angle 1 opens up to BC. Since I know this is a diameter, I could add these together, subtract, and then figure out BC is, so I can just do that. I'll let y'all do that, though. The one thing I do want to go over is, let's look at, we just did 10, that's 21, right? Because it was half of 42. So now I can do all 3 of these make a triangle, which means all 3 of them add to 180. So 21 plus 39 is 60, and then I'm going to subtract that. So that's 14. Okay. And then if I know 14, I also know 12 because they're vertical. And then right here, I've got supplementary. So if you don't remember that means, somebody around you should be able to help you with that. And based on those things, you should be able to finish this together. Okay? Good luck. Remember, this is a quiz grade. It is a group quiz grade, so you can work on it together. But make sure you turn it in to the sub before you leave. He's going to put it in the folder. Okay? Bye.